Четвертый класс, английский язык, Звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 34-35, часть первая, страница 74, 75, 76, 77. English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 34, 35. Part number 1, page number 74, 75, 76, 77. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 74. 74. Mr. Waste or Mr. Green? Exercise number 1. Read and say yes or no. Мистер Отходов или мистер Зеленый. Прочитай и скажи да или нет. I always have a shower, never a bath. I put newspapers and bottles in the recycling bin. I write on both sides of paper. I use empty bottles and cans to make things. I give my old toys to children's hospitals. I never leave the tap running. The answer? Mostly yes. You're a good friend of planet Earth. You are definitely Mr. Green. Mostly no. Oh dear, try not to throw things away. Don't be Mr. Waste. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Let's sing. Давай споем. Mr. Waste or Mr. Green, are you dirty or are you clean? Are you kind or are you mean? Mr. Waste or Mr. Green? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75. 75. Exercise number 3. Break the code. Разгадай код, расшифруй сообщение. Они помогут тебе стать хорошим другом планеты Земля. Record the messages. They can help you become a good friend of planet Earth. The answer number 1. Plastic, throw. Number 1. Reuse plastic bags. Don't throw them away. Заново используй пластиковые пакеты. Не выбрасывай их. Number 2. Bookshop. Number 2. Take your old books to the bookshop. Отнеси свои старые книги в книжный магазин. Number 3. Switch. Switch the light off when you leave the room. The answer. Выключай свет, когда выходишь из комнаты. Number 4. Lunch. Use your own packed lunch box. Используй свой собственный запакованный обед. Number 5. hours. Don't talk on the phone for hours. Не разговаривай по телефону часами. Number 6. Ride your bike. Ride your bike to school, if you can. Доезжай до школы на велосипеде, если можешь. Number 7. Watch. Don't watch TV all the time. Не смотри телевизор все время. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 76. 76. Exercise number 1. Look, read and find the words. Посмотри, прочитай и найди слова. The answer. Number 1. Screen. Number 2. Printer. Number 3. Keyboard. Number 4. Speakers. Number 5. Mouse. We use these to see what is on our computer. The answer. Screen. We use these to print words and pictures. Printer. We use this to type words into our computer. The answer. Keyboard. We use this to listen to sounds and music from our computer. Speakers. We use this to move around the screen. The answer. Mouse. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. In groups, make a poster with computer words. Present it to the class. В группах создайте постер с компьютерными словами. Представьте его классу. Flashcard, laptop, tablet, web camera, and so on. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 77. 77. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Сказка троллей. Послушай и прочитай историю. Nice car, boys. Can I drive it? Oh, pixies can't drive. Put your seatbelt on, Trog. I know, Pog. Okay. Start the car and go slow. Yes, Pog. Now turn left and stop at the red light. I know, Pog. I always stop at the red light. I like driving our new car. Trog, be careful. Grr, you never listen to me. Well, trolls can't drive either. Now, take rolls and read. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer